Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to set up fingerprint and face unlock on VIVO X300. So go into the settings, then scroll down into the security and privacy, then device unlocking and fingerprint. Right here, confirm with your pattern, enroll now, agree, place your finger, then lift it and repeat a couple of times. As you can see on the screen, now scan the edges of your fingerprint and fingerprint added. Then done. Go back to face unlock, confirm your pattern, enroll now, put in your face, and now, okay. And that's it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.